Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. While the basics like regular oil changes and filter replacements are critical, here are some lesser-known or unconventional maintenance tips and habits that experienced mechanics and high-mileage drivers often swear by for maximizing engine durability. 1. Avoid excessive short trips. Engines perform best at their optimal operating temperature. Frequent, very short trips, where the engine doesn't fully warm up, prevent condensation and byproducts from evaporating out of the oil and exhaust, leading to sludge buildup and increased component wear. The unconventional fix. If you do a lot of short trips, make a point of taking one longer trip, 15 to 20 minutes, once a week to let the engine reach and sustain full operating temperature, which helps burn off contaminants. You should also consider shortening your oil change interval. 2. Use the accelerator gently on a cold engine. The most engine wear occurs during the warm-up period. The unconventional fix. After starting, drive off gently rather than idling for long periods. Idling is inefficient for warming up and can increase carbon buildup. Avoid high RPMs until the temperature gauge has reached its normal operating range, giving the oil time to fully circulate and thin out to its optimal viscosity. 3. Don't shut down immediately after hard driving, especially for turbocharged engines high-stress driving, e.g., fast highway run, towing, hill climb, causes the turbocharger and engine to get extremely hot. The unconventional fix. Allow the engine to idle for 30 to 60 seconds after hard driving before turning it off. This allows the oil to circulate and cool down the hot turbo bearings and other critical components, preventing coking baked oil residue, which drastically shortens their life. 4. Listen to your engine oil. While manufacturer schedules are a minimum, the quality of your oil is what matters most. The unconventional fix. If you want to know the absolute best time to change your oil, have a sample sent for Used Oil Analysis (UOA). This lab test analyzes the oil for contaminants, wear metals, and remaining additive life, giving you a scientific basis for your perfect change interval. 5. Clean the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. This sensor is crucial for calculating the air-fuel ratio. Over time, it can get slightly coated, leading to suboptimal engine performance and efficiency, forcing the engine to work harder. The unconventional fix. Periodically and gently clean the sensor wires with dedicated MAF sensor cleaner spray, never carburetor cleaner or other solvents, which can damage it. This simple $10 to $20 task can restore power and fuel economy. 6. Undercoat the undercarriage, especially in snowy and salty climates while not a direct engine part. Rust on the engine mounts, oil pan, and subframe can lead to costly, life-shortening issues. The unconventional fix. Periodically apply a rust-proofing undercoating, like an oil-based treatment, to protect the metal components underneath the car from road salt and moisture. 7. Watch the fuel cap gasket. Believe it or not, a worn or loose gas cap can trigger the check engine light because the evaporative emission control (EVAP) system detects a leak. The unconventional fix. Check the rubber gasket on your fuel cap for cracks or damage. If it's worn, replace the cap. It's a quick, cheap fix that prevents frustrating diagnostic trips for a false alarm. 8. Replace fluids by time, not just mileage. Even if you don't drive much, fluids degrade. Oil oxidizes, brake fluid absorbs moisture, and coolant loses its anti-corrosive properties. The unconventional fix. Change your oil at a minimum every 6 to 12 months regardless of mileage. Follow the time interval in your owner's manual for other fluids, even if you are far below the mileage recommendation. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.